Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. And record, alright. Oh, man. Oh, I just reacted to that Lucy song, Hearse. I don't even, Cogency, pon the Cogency Reacts channel. What go on, people? Yeah, the Lucy song there. No, but today, right now, we have Buni, 2-man step, #overkill. What him say on the body readings again? Gun lean get shot from the backseat, 2-man pull up and bun at the backseat. Gassed up top boy like Ashley Ching, swing get ying up badly. Aye, you don't know. Yeah, Buni tough still. Buni tough still. And then panel plugged in with Ross. Whew. Anyway, yeah man. Gaming channel in the link below. Music channel in the description below. Subscribe to them. They may have new music forward soon. And let's just jump into the reaction. Is it?
Me and bro, we know the drill. Two-man step, one overkill. Woohoo! 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 Me and bro, we know the drill. War is war, let's keep it real. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got knock it. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the.
I'm not sure if me like the double voice effect what them have, but I'm pull it up still and see what I got.
The most high, cause you could have got knock it. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got. Suns out, guns out, let's have fun now. 2 in the brock, let's rock now. 2 in the brock, get popped out, pop down. Aim of the game, get knocked down. Run a man down till we drop out. Swing, make your heart rate drop down.
Yeah.
Swing that pump round, 1 touch, knock down. We don't know nothing about dud rounds. He got ying when he should have just run. Dumb, he didn't even make it fun. 1 got bun, 2 got bun. It would have been 3 if I locked that gun. Swing, he met the crime rate ton. I laugh and die when I see them run. He should have got done, he should have turned runs. He better thank God he survived that one. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank
Drink your water, kids.
the most high, cause you could have got. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got. He got ying trying to do it like me. He got swing and ying like me. He got bun when he should have hold 3. 3 crimbo, 2 crimbos free. Slap this whack when I rise and glee. Anything like 3 times 3. So many ops been labeled deceased. I didn't even know how they handle beef. Hop out the ride and crank that, bang that. 2 in the brat man, clutch that, brat that. Ying and the ying can't stop that, fuck that. Over the top when I got that, what that. 2 shot pop that, hope man drop that. To my coco go lock that. Kick like combat, no more combat. Man tryna spit it and knock that. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got. Me and bro, we know the drill. 2-man step, one overkill. War is war, let's keep it real. I laugh for the sight when I see you spill. He got bumped when he should have got. He tried run when he should have got. He got ying when he should have got. Thank the most high, cause you could have got.
Hey, I swear firms and rents pattern this.
Like, you see me and rock to it, so it have a bounce, but man, you see, from the plugged in to the body remix verse to this not up to par with them. It not bad. There's like him not half beat, him not Ray, but another best beat where him ever choose, another best lyrics where him ever write. You understand? it kind of just dead it. You understand? It not bad, but it not like amazing or it decent. Yeah, decent, really and truly. But Bun is still tough otherwise. So and every song when put out, I go be. You understand? You know. Remember Bunny and Gunman in a real life too, so you understand him new to the music thing like that. So but yeah. Yeah, but there I think like if me really probably may have to go back and listen it a couple times and for really you understand? Or maybe I threw the Lucy reaction dog, it just threw me off and I not really pick up the bars MRA, but I don't really think me did hear no special metaphor or punchline or you understand? But yeah, Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. Gaming channel in the link below. In the description below. Music channel in the description below. Subscribe to them there. Download this if you like it. Probably I go listen to it again after this for you understand. See if I miss anything, make sure if like it or not. But yeah, Cogency. And I'm out. Peace.